Good Thursday, everyone. I hope everyone's staying warm. I think it's 18 degrees on my thermometer this morning. Definitely a morning to bundle up. Yesterday's weather statistics, the high on Wednesday was 41, the low was 30. No precipitation to record. The highest wind gust was 26 miles per hour from the northwest. Record high for today, 75. Record low, 14. Looking at the daily weather map for today, lots of snowflakes flying across the northern tier of the U.S. They get the cold air and the snow. We just get the cold air. I don't know about you, but if it's going to be cold, I just assume it be snowing. But they get the snowflakes today, and we certainly do not. Looking at this current snowpack across the country, look how much snow there is across the northern tier of the country. This is quite unusual. This is more like a map I'd see in January or February. Pacific Northwest mountains, look up there, Idaho, the mountains of western Montana. Some of those are already approaching 3-4 feet of snow for the season. Quite the snowy November for those folks. No snowflakes on our 5-day forecast, but we do have temperatures cold enough for those snowflakes. Temperatures in the mid-30s today, mid to upper 30s today, and then 40 tomorrow and Saturday. Then a cold front comes through Saturday night, drops us back down to the low to mid-30s for highs on Sunday. Overnight lows in the upper teens to around 20. It is going to be cold. But to look at Monday, we switched to a southwest wind flow, which shoots us up into the mid to upper 40s. We may even touch 50. I'll have to keep an eye on that. And then overnight Monday night, looking like we're going to dip down to the low 30s. That's ahead of our next storm system that'll come in Thanksgiving week. That is looking liquid, but models and guidance are all very inconsistent on what it's going to do, whether or not we're going to get a lot of rain or a little rain or any rain at all. So I'll keep you posted on that as we get a little closer to the Thanksgiving holiday. On this day in 1927, an unusual November tornado cut a 17-mile path across portions of Washington, D.C. 31 people were hurt. Struck the Naval Air Station with a wind gust of 93 miles per hour, and then a water spout was spotted over the Potomac River 90 minutes later. So a very unusual weather day for those folks. I'm sure one that was remembered for many years to come. Well, last night's kids class at TCAT was awesome. We learned all about snow. We made snow globes and snowflakes and all that good stuff. I'll be uploading some of those slides onto the Meteorologist Mark website, and I'll give you all the link to that later on. And that's how we'll be doing that going forward. That way, those of you who can't attend the class can at least see what we talked about and what we studied and all that good stuff. Had a good turnout. Had a good turnout both Crossville and Clark Range this time. So classes will resume in January, and where we'll be talking about hail. So that's what the kids want to talk about, and that's what we're going to study. Well, you folks, thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, and I'll have a full blog update on Friday morning, tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be updating you on even the colder air and what's coming up for the Thanksgiving week. You folks have a wonderful day, and keep looking up.